This 4-bedroom 2.5 bath colonial-style home sits on a private corner lot with a master bedroom and 2 spare rooms downstairs as a split floor plan, a large family room, dining room, recently updated kitchen, solid hardwood doors, and crown molding throughout. Upstairs is a larger 4th bedroom that has plumbing run to it and the structure of a full bathroom but has not been completely finished. This room is also equipped with its own HVAC system currently in use. There is also a second upstairs room running half the size of the house that is completely floored and is perfect for enough storage than any family can handle but has the potential of being completely insulated and drywalled to be utilized as livable space like the room next to it. The second HVAC system was installed with the idea this room would be finished as well and both rooms would split the system, so the owner ran the ductwork to this room as well and had it capped off to give that option. Just give us a call today to set up a showing. Square footage is approximate and not guaranteed. Buyer is responsible.